Hi guys. Hi. Oh no, sleepy boy. 7:30 na, ngayon lang ako nag-vlog. Actually, I was thinking na mag-skip muna ako ng vlog kasi it's too much to handle right now. Actually, ewan ko, feeling ko actually, puro actually. Wait, yung vlog ko yesterday, 3 minutes 46 seconds lang and inedit ko lang siya dito sa phone ko and currently uploading na rin siya. Ewan ko lang kung pwede kong i-exit yung YouTube na app habang nag-upload. So, hindi ko alam kung magtutuloy-tuloy ko yun. Pero, ayun nga. So, I was thinking if I should do one short vlog in a day or just do a weekly vlog for the meantime. What do you think? Uy, naku naman niya. What do you think, Zeb? Zach? So, yun. Kayo, anong suggestion nyo? Para, actually, gusto ko mag-vlog. Gusto ko mag-vlog dahil gusto ko may memories ako nila Zeb and Zach na maliit pa. Pero, yun nga, medyo, yung pag-edit. Okay. So, sa tingin nyo guys? short daily vlogs or weekly vlogs? Kapag dudugtong-dugtongin ka. Wait lang. Kabit na siya. Anyway, how I'm feeling? Medyo, pa rin lalamon ako konti. Nakukuha naman sa Strepsils. Kanina nailabas ko na yung plema sa wakas. Hindi ako makaubo eh. Kaya puro ganun ginagawa ako. And then, kanina, I had to sneeze my first time. I totally forgot. So, nung nag-atching ako, parang nakabuelo na yung simula ng atching. Tapos, naalala ko, shucks, masakit pala. Napigil yung atching ko eh. Aw, ang sakit. Anyway, so, and si Zep din, wala na ring lagnat. Okay na siya. So, yun. I don't want to end the vlog without Zeb in it. So, kumakain kasi sila, nauuna akong kumain ng dinner. So, mamaya, I'm gonna show Zeb and then, I'm gonna end the vlog. Sorry. Medyo maiikli lang muna. Okay? Bye. Zeb. Hey, hi. This is vlog. Say good night. Say good night. Bye. I love you. Good boy ka na. Kuya baby. Are you Kuya baby? Yes? Yay. Baby. Sleeping baby.
How about Zeb? Sleep na rin? Good night kiss baby.
Good night kiss baby on the head. Uy, careful.
Good night kiss.
Uy, careful. On the head lang, on the head.
Good night kiss.
Oh, thank you, Kuya.
Sleep na. Lie down together with baby.
Yes.
Lie down.
Night. Bye-bye. Careful.
Oh, you lie down.
Smelly.
Good boy naman. Yeah.
Okay, bye-bye.